Hi, I'm Josh.
And I'm Dustin.
And we're working on a John Deere 300D articulated truck that came back from rent with all sorts of suspension issues, and today we're going to show you how to fix it. When this truck first rolled in, we found that the drag links were all bent up and they needed to be replaced. The drag link prevents the truck from swaying back and forth while traveling down the path at the work site.
When the drag links bend, it causes all kinds of other problems. What I have here is a rubber suspension block, which is nothing more than a piece of rubber with a chain going through the center of it. When the drag links are bent, it causes the rear end to be out of alignment, the chain stretches, and these fail.
This is the suspension block. The first thing we have to do is get the tire up off the ground to get more room in here to work and pull this thing out.
Now that we got the back end off the ground, we have plenty of room to shim this front so we can float the rear axle. As we pull this truck off the crib block, this block's separated, and it's going to allow us plenty of room to get the new block in.
Now we're ready to put the new one in. We want to make sure this tab lines up with this tab inside the axle housing. Alright, now comes the fun part. We've got to get this sandwich block in here with this spacer and make sure that we can get this chain out of the way so I can slide it in and line up my bolt.
So now that we got our spacer in there, we're going to take this floor jack this axle up, and line our bolt holes up.
We've got all our bolts tight. We're going to back it up. We're going to pull our shims out and pull it off. That's how you change the suspension blocks on an articulated truck.
And don't forget, if you need to buy or rent any construction equipment, hit us up at newmantractor.com.